It is not only a competitive stage for showcasing language proficiency, cultural literacy, and youthful spirit, but also a bridge of friendship, connecting China with the world, fostering mutual understanding among peoples, and deepening mutual learning among civilizations. I sincerely hope that through the Chinese Bridge competition, more and more Zambia youth will develop a passion for the Chinese language, master the language, and gain a deeper appreciation of a real, multidimensional, and comprehensive view of China.
Let me also use this occasion to thank you for the generous gesture of offering scholarships to the University of Zambia students, both in Chinese language and other disciplines. May our all-weather friendship continue.
I feel happy and excited. Yes. To me, it's a big achievement because I've only learned Chinese for a short period of time, and I really concentrated because I was focused on one thing, and that's to win and continue doing better in Chinese, and sometimes I can even help my fellow friends because I knew that if I learn Chinese and focus in learning Chinese, I can develop my country.